3, 2, 1.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
My name is Puri. I'm a best friend of Priya. I'm happy to be here to give the wedding speech. And the first I would like to say is congratulations for both of them. Actually, I don't believe that Ria is getting married now, because in the past Ria don't want to have a boyfriend because she was confused with her appearance. And now actually, and finally Ria, you finally have a boyfriend and then a future husband. Let's talk about love again. Love is a decision, it's a choice. Love is more than warm, fuzzy feeling you felt when you first meet each other. It's greater than the excitement that comes with a proposal or even like these beautiful ones. So that is my wish for both of you today, that day after day and year after year, you will choose to follow the sun-loving path as the one you are on today. Let's make a toast for both of them, for the beautiful bride and